Let's go ahead and dig in here. This one is called the Noctar, is the model name on this one. Looks like we're dealing with 14C 28N steel and a satin finish. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Wow. Hold on, proportional to the box, I was not expecting that chunk of a knife to actually come out of the smaller box, so they maximize every bit of space there. We got a little bit of a handout here, right? Some paperwork, and we got the knife. I also have some other details here. They send me, some details as well about the knife. We'll share those as we go through. But here is the knife, ladies and gentlemen, the Noctar. Kind of interesting name for sure, right? Nocturnal, right? Something like that. I don't know. Noctar. We have G10 on this one on the scales. We have recessed liners, a G10 backspacer that's the same matching color. We do have a deep pocket carry clip, pretty deep carry for the most part, and it is reversible on the other side. And also a very interesting design there, to say the least. Should go in and out of the pocket there pretty well. And we have a crossbar lock mechanism and an opening hole here for deployment. So let's cut to the chase here and bam, deploy this thing. Holy macaroni. This is borderline, yeah, large, extra large, right? For all my folks out there who are like, hey, Miguel, where the big knives at, Miguel? We're like, we always showing the tiny stuff. Show us the big knives. All right, fam, I got you. This one is definitely going to scratch that itch if you like larger knives for sure. When I say borderline large, extra large, perhaps. Just going to get a quick read here. According to the paperwork, it says 8.86 inches. And yes, definitely around that ballpark. No doubt about it. So right a hair under 9 inches long. On the overall length, that blade is going to be around 3.75, cutting path of 3.5, and a handle of a little bit over 5 inches, right? So rapid fire measurements there for you. And okay, getting a feel for it here in the hand. Actually feels pretty solid, right? Hammer grip, still got plenty of handle left. We can even forward choke a tad bit there if you wanted to. That also works. This is one of those knives, I gotta tell you, I saw some pictures and I was like, okay, kind of looks like a small knife, and then it shows up and it's actually a much larger knife than I had anticipated. And sometimes that happens, and then I see other knives that look big and then it turns out they're smaller. Nothing like actually seeing a knife in person. And we are working with the drop point blade here. Flat grind, beautiful satin finish if you ask me, and everyone's favorite budget steel 14C 28N. The branding is pretty minimalistic, if you would. Right? They still got Bestech here on the blade, even though I want to say this is their logo here in the pivot. It is a captive pivot, and here is the collaboration, which, by the way, I'm not even going to attempt to try to say this name. I'm just going to put it on the screen, right? The designer's name here on the screen for you, because I know for a fact I'm absolutely going to butcher the name. So there it is. That's the designer for this knife. You may or may not be familiar with his work. Checking out the action here. Let's see here, getting a feel for it. Okay, it is a loud one. Nice little twalk on the open and on the close. Yeah, you got to give it a little bit of flick of the wrist action here in order for it to open. You could thumb deploy as well, and you can spidey flick also. There it is. I'm just kind of getting used to it, of course. Right, getting used to the action. Is going to be on ball bearings, as you would expect. Good alignment there, smack in the middle. And again, really sweet Ergos pocket clip. I barely feel it, if at all. I'm going to go solid 9 out of 10. Again, having the ability to forward choke, right, for more control on the blade. Good jimping here on the spine also, right? You're locked in. Has a little bit of curvature too. So yeah, your thumb is not going anywhere. You are good to go. And the G10 is also nice and contour all the way around. Looking very, very nice. So we'll do some size comparisons here towards the end, but yeah, this one is probably going to be the largest knife of the bunch, but we don't know yet, but I'm just going to take a guess here. So according to a designer, right, this knife was made for people who never stay in one place. It performs reliably in urban, outdoor, constantly mobile environments. It's a practical and robust design. It's built to handle everything from everyday tasks to heavy duty work. I got to give it to you. That is very true. Just looking at this thing, it's a hardcore workhorse, heavy duty work knife, but it can also handle the small stuff too. That's the beauty of carrying a larger knife, without a doubt. Now, there are different variants. I got the green G10. It looks like there's black. There are other variants, other colors, white, blue. There's also blacked out blades, orange, right, like a teal color, all blacked out version. So all those are available. And just some quick details here for stats from my stats nerds, right? There's the steel, handle options, all the measurements you may need to know. And by the way, the ball bearings are ceramic ball bearings. So that's a nice little detail. And what will be a very affordable right, everyday knife with yeah, the size and the heavy dutiness to take down the jungle, I'll tell you that. In case you're wondering, we do have milled aligners on the inside. Those are going to help with weight reduction there. And I gotta tell you, so far making a great first impression here, the Noctar from Bestech, looking pretty solid. Very, very nice. I like the twack on the open and close. All right, that sounds pretty good. They come with some additional stickers, right, from Bestech. Looks like we have a little Velcro patch here, and then we have some Bestech stickers also. So some nice little swagger there. Care package that came along with this knife. Hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.